I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am so behind because I have so many box openings to do. How thrilling is that? I have a few Blythes that I have to open today, January 25th, because they were ordered November 11th, and just now getting here. But they have the nerve to say that today is the last day I can make a claim. And guess when they came? Yeah, exactly. So let me get these open. I want to open on camera anyway in case there is a problem or something is missing. And I have multiple mini Blythes. Like this should be more than one, so we'll make sure they're all in there. And I'll be darned, this is a doll I have been waiting for. Hoorah! She got here really quick, but not as quick as they said. They said she was delivered, and she wasn't. But let's set this over here, because that box in good shape, I'll say. How cute is this girl? Let's take this off and check her eyes. And then, I love this girl. This is the same doll as my Linger, my clown, was made from. And I had a spare, and I gave it to someone. And there are her eyes. Boy, they click easy.
Nope, they're not.
Oh, they're not clicking. Okay, I'm not pulling hard enough. Oh, see, that's what I like with this doll. I love her. This hair is so beautiful, I think. It's like blue, purple, silver, and another color blue. I love this doll. Okay, we're gonna put her over here because I wanna put her away. I want her for something, and I'm not gonna let her get messed up. Let's check for the minis. Now, some of these minis, as you have heard me say on my channel before, I'm going to custom change their faces, make them some clothes, and send them to some of my subscribers. That's why I ordered some of these. Some of them for me, because I am in love with these little minis. I mean, I am having so much fun. Oh my, all of these were in that box. How did you girls fare? We're gonna have to look. Are your legs there? Yep. Okay, so we got a purple hair. I guess I should check eyes, shouldn't I? I should check them. We'll do that off camera. Here are 4 I was waiting for. This one at least will be for someone else. Okay, let's open another box. No, actually, I think that's the purple hair that I want to dress for myself for Valentine's Day. But some of those are for gifts. Here's more. Yay! Oh, and the redhead. Ooh. I think I have one of these redheads though. And a blonde. I have ideas. Let's keep opening.
Where's your face?
Well, we're gonna get them out, and then,
Okay.
but I'm gonna turn the.
It's there. It's just behind all that.
Yeah,
hair.
yeah. I'm gonna turn the camera off while we get them out, because nobody wants to sit through a long.
7 staples removed.
This one's mine, and it's for Easter too. Okay, her face is hidden, but she has the same hair as the first Blythe I ever bought.
It's like Cousin It.
Yeah, it is. I love it. I'm gonna watch my hand here. I don't want to lay it open for everybody to see. Okay, this, I'm gonna have to go through my order sheet and make sure that they all came. I am hoping to send out one, the plan, God willing and the creek don't rise. I am planning on sending out one customized mini Blythe a month. It takes a while to get the clothes made and Darren to print the stands and the stuff that we send with them. So it'd be about one a month. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, I want to keep that one. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Cool, man, cool. Hope they go on sale again soon. Ha ha. And what do we have here? Oh, cool. Oh, that's weird. Okay, this is for my 1/3 doll that is not finished yet. Well, I have some Ali 1/3 dolls too, so it's not like it won't be used. But this is not what I expected, just a shirt. So see, it's good we're recording. This is just a shirt. There's supposed to be like pants and stuff with that. This is for, I will tell you now, how do they do it? I can't do it with a hook. Dolls Gone Goth in April. We are doing thunderstorms. Thunderstorms rather than April showers. How cool is that? So I'm going to be making more to go with that. And that's what I got. Come right back and I'll have the dolls out of the pack. So here they are, all the little girls. It's funny. We got 4 packs and it was like 1, 2, 3, and 4 came in the packages, which is probably the way I ordered them. What hair color do you like? Which is my favorite? I'm not gonna say. I do have 4 favorites hair colors out of this group. Her hair, what I'll do is I take a cup of water, literally a cup of water, like coffee cup, and then I put that in the microwave. I get this wet, I find the part, and then I dip it in there, and then I put that piece of plastic back over. She did not have a piece of plastic, so I'll have to train that hair. It's no big deal. I leave it like that for 48 hours. 24 would do it, but I like to wait 48. My little Friday's hair was like this, all poofed up, and I fixed it. It's not a big deal. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I'm gonna go see about this straight away. That's not gonna go. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.